Yeah, hello. So this is actually a client project I worked on. So this lady reached out to me on Upwork that she has a landing page, but then the landing page is not getting the landing page don't get um people don't enroll on the landing page, they don't book. So she actually complained that the landing page was not converting, but then she was running ads. She was bringing a lot of traffic, like she was running Google ads, bring a lot of visitors into the landing page, but it was not converting. So when she sent me the link of the landing page, I noticed lots of things. But one thing that I noticed is that the landing page kind of is a form of a website that she's running traffic into. And when a website, there's a lot of confusion. People don't really, or visitors don't really know what to click. You can see the heading. The heading was a lot of heading. Like when I mean heading, like pages. I mean, so pages, lot of pages, like the home page about, lot of other sub pages. So it just looks scattered and there's no proper. The the text was not kind of text that's inviting visitors, or it's not clear. So if visitors are actually confused and they don't know what to do, there's no clear heading, no clear call to action, they're going to be confused. So when they send the landing page, it was like the initial landing page was kind of messy. And also the landing page, like I said, it's like a website, has footer and stuff like that. So everything was just scattered link and stuff like that. So I helped her to optimize the landing page. So what I did first was to make sure that I do well with the heading. So I built this landing page from scratch. I built landing page from scratch. So I do it with the heading. I designed the landing page using Elementor Pro. Yeah, so it's actually a WordPress uh, site. So I built this website with WordPress, but then you can see it's from scratch. So I focus on what she does. She sends me like as her assets, like the files, pictures, what she do, need technician, you know, so she teach people how to become a need technician themselves. And you can see build a need career that makes money and lets you be your own boss. So she's a teacher and a trainer. So I come up with these fancy tests, not just fancy, but tests that actually clearly explain to our visitors what she does. Because you can't be running traffic and you're not getting sign up. It's really bad. That is a poor ROI, return on investment. So when you're running traffic, you need to getting the results you want. So it's really depressing. So I explained to her and I become a mentor, not just mentor. I help her achieve what she wants. So yeah, so when I restructured the landing page, I do with the heading, I will declare call to action a role now. So if you look the next section, you can see become a need technician just 30 days. So I come up with all these tests, in just 30 minutes I will show you. So in less than 5 seconds, once visitors enter your landing page, they need to in less than 5 seconds, they need to know what your landing page is. So a visitor will not just come to the landing page and they'll be confused. Oh, how do I enroll? Or what is this? What does she do? Or stuff like that. So if you scroll down, you can see there's an about the trainer, our background. And the last section is call to action. Yeah, so it's very, very, very important. Now, the next thing is that I did here is a translator. So if you can look at this Translate Press, is a plugin that I use to, it's a multilingual plugin. You can actually translate this landing page to English or different languages, but she's from France though. So our official language is French, but then no, our target audience, they speak English, let's say 50-50 English and French. So she actually want me to use multilingual. So this plugin Translate Press, I use it and I translated this landing page manually. Now there's a difference between automatic translation and manual translation. Now most people ask me, most of my clients, which one is more effective? The manual translation is more effective. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, but it's more effective because in the sense that you are manually translating it yourself, so you'll be more accurate. So you translate this build, you translate it compared to manual translation, which can automatic translation can break things. Automatic translation can actually break things. So manual translation, you do it yourself and it's all good. So if I should click on French now, just what's gonna happen. So this whole site is going to translate right now. Okay, I think my network is okay. You can see, yeah. So it translated from English to French. Yeah, so everything here, everything translated from English to French. So this landing page is built to convert. And she reached out to me and she said that landing page was actually good. The landing page was the conversion actually increased. Yeah, people start signing up and stuff like that. So we ended where she actually gave me a good review. So I'm just saying this, I'm just recording this video for people that are actually in this situation right now, or they own a website or a landing page, but their conversion is really poor. Like I said before, you can't just be running traffic on landing page and your results is really poor. So your visitors in less than 5 seconds need to understand what your page is all about and what they need to do immediately. So if you're in such situation and you need help optimizing your website, optimizing your landing page for maximum result for conversion, your landing page is not really working, feel free to DM, just DM me and just send your landing your your link and let me know what's the problem. Explain to me what's the problem and whether you're running traffic or whatever you're doing. And I can actually help you like explain what's working on landing page, what needs to be improved. Yeah. So thanks for listening and I look forward to seeing your website and good.